Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to dye Easter eggs. You don't need a special package from the store. Today I'm going to show you how to dye your own Easter eggs using both food coloring and how to make your own natural food dyes. First, you'll need some hard-boiled eggs, and I have a great tutorial for that already. Then you'll need some liquid food coloring, and today I'm using neon colors, which are so cute and perfect for Easter. Place about 5 drops of the food coloring into either some jars, I'm using mason jars, or you can use plastic cups or regular cups too. Pretty much any kind of container that you can put liquid in and it won't stain. And of course you can also mix and match colors as well. Then pour 1 cup of water into each jar. Last, add a tablespoon of vinegar to each color jar. Give it a quick stir and then we are ready to dye our eggs. Use a spoon to gently slide in 1 to 2 eggs at a time. Let them sit in the jar like this for 5 minutes or so until the desired color is achieved. If you want more vibrant colors, you can add up to 10 more drops of food coloring. Now let's talk about natural dyes. There are several different common household items you can use to make natural food dyes. Today we're going to use turmeric, beets, yellow onion skins, red onion skins, and purple cabbage. Each item is used the same way, but produces a different color, and it might not be the color you think it's gonna be. For example, purple cabbage will turn your eggs blue. Red onion will produce a beautiful lavender purple. Beets will produce a beautiful red. Just be careful when working with those because they stain absolutely everything. Yellow onion, skins and all, will create orange. And last but not least, turmeric will produce a vibrant yellow. To make the natural dye, it's fairly simple. Just cut it up, put it in a pan, and boil it. I recommend using stainless steel so you don't stain any of your pots when making these dyes. So for our blue dye, we'll place about a cup of chopped purple cabbage into a saucepan and then pour in about 3 cups of water. Place it on the stove and bring it to a boil. So I have all of my dyes going on the stove at once. You may want to do yours one at a time. We have 2 tablespoons of turmeric, a cup of shredded beets, 1 yellow onion cut up, 1 red onion cut up, and then here's our purple cabbage, which has already come to a simmer. I also add a tablespoon of vinegar to these as well. Let these all simmer for 10 to 30 minutes until your desired color is achieved. Once we've got our color, I'm going to use a strainer and strain out all of the dye. You can just discard all of those solids. And just like we did with the food coloring, you'll pour your dyeing liquid into a container and gently slide in an egg. Natural dyes are a little unpredictable compared to food coloring, so the actual color you get may vary based on the natural variance in ingredients. You'll want to let your eggs sit in the dye for anywhere from 30 minutes to 24 hours. Yes, they do take longer to work. The longer you let them sit, the more vibrant the color will be. So if you're gonna let these sit overnight, you'll wanna pop them in the fridge. Remove your eggs from the liquid and let them dry completely, and then that's it. You have perfectly dyed Easter eggs. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. Happy Easter!